My name is Deepti. I'm currently studying BTech final year in the branch of Computer Science and Engineering at Malineni Lakshmaiah Women's Engineering and College, Guntur. Before, I believe that I do only theoretical knowledge, and after byteXL training, I found that very practicality and with real-time examples we have done with, and now I'm very confident with my coding skills. My favorite language is Python, and we have learned some more languages like Java and C, and we know how confident we are speaking about now. It's all obviously about our spoken English classes also from the byteXL training, and it's obviously it was a good experience in that by talking fluently or speaking very confidently with the journey is really good experience for me. Now I got the confidence of writing exams, and of course I got placed with the help of my coding skills and cracked the interview with the speaking skills, and I'm sure about that I can crack any further exams also. As a student, everyone has a dream to get a job in MNCs. Particularly for me, when I got the mail of interview, I feel that I have to I prepared for few hours, and I am very sure and I am confident with the skills I have, and straightly go with the interview, and confidently I know what I am speaking with my knowledge, and I told them that I have this much of knowledge in the context I have, and so that was the journey in the interview, and it was pretty good for me. The trainers are very friendly, and when we have doubt or when we need help for the hands-on coding, they clear our doubts, and they give us very useful suggestions to us, and they were very helpful and support to us.